Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Cerave Resurfacing Retinol Serum. So if you haven't seen it before, this is the texture. It has a very soft texture and it is very smooth to the skin. So I bought it at 17 pounds. I bought it at 17 pounds in Amazon. I'll link all the products I'm going to use in this video on the description box below so that you can go and check them. So why do we need retinols in our skin? Retinols helps to increase cell productions and it also helps to unclog the pores. So what are the benefits of using Cerave Resurfacing Retinol Serum? So according to Cerave website, benefits: it reduces the appearance of post-acne marks and pores, it helps to restore the protective skin barrier, improves skin smoothness, and it also helps to resurface skin texture, and it also has a licorice root extract known to brighten the appearance of skin, and it has ceramides which helps to restore and maintain skin natural barrier. It also has niacinamides which helps to calm the skin. It has MVE technology which continuously releases moisturizing ingredients, and also it is paraben free and fragrance free, and it is developed by Dermatologist. So yes, so let's see if you have any of these. If you have post-acne scars, if you have everything that this product does, please see, it's just a disclaimer, see a dermatologist or see a doctor before starting to use this product. See a doctor before you start using any product. So let's see how to use it. So I'm going to, for cleanser, I'm going to use CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. It's for normal to oily skin. Always read the directions of use before using any products. For this product, you massage it on a wet skin. So let's go into it. I'm going to use cotton pad to help me cleanse my face, to water it, and I put the CeraVe cleanser, just a little bit, go a long way. You can use your hands or you can use maybe a cloth. You can massage this product for 60 seconds in your skin, then you rinse it off. Then you can go ahead and pat dry your skin. So on how to use, according to Cerave website, you apply evenly on your face daily, but apply it daily on your skin. So you can use it at night. And retinol sometimes can make your skin sensitive, so you want to make sure you use. Then avoid contact with eye and lips. If contact occurs, rinse thoroughly with water. If discomfort occurs during the first application, space out applications until the skin adjusts. So then apply sun cream while using this product. So you want to make sure you apply sunscreen. After that, you use it at night, yes, but during the day after doing your skincare routine, because retinol sometimes can make our skin very sensitive. So I'm just going to use, because it has a pump in it, which is I find very nice for this product. So I'm just going to use a little bit of it. I'm just going to pump a little bit of it on my palm and apply it on my skin. So you can see how soft and nice this product is to the skin. It's very soft and it's very nice, and you also want to avoid the eye area. So this is how my skin is. This is how my skin is after using this product. This is how my skin is after using this product. Then you want to follow it with your favorite moisturizer. So I always like to leave this product to sit on my skin for maybe 30 minutes or maybe 20 minutes to make sure the product absorbs on my skin. Then you can follow it with your favorite moisturizer. So I'll leave it for 20 minutes or for 20 minutes. Then I'll follow it with CeraVe. I'll follow it with CeraVe moisturizing cream, this one. So if you have acne, if you have post-acne scars, if you have post-acne scar, you can use this product. I prefer using this product at night. Reason being, cell production and collagen production do happen at night, and it makes this. This is after 20 minutes, and I'm going to use CeraVe moisturizing cream. So you can just use a little bit of it. This is how my skin is. After using this product at night, you want to make sure during the day when you're doing your skincare product, you use a sun cream. So you can use any sun cream of your choice, but this is the sun cream I'm using. It's very nice product. It is invisible. It doesn't leave white marks on your face. Yes, and so before I started using this product, I had very uneven skin tone, and I had post-pimples, post-acne scars all over my skin. And after using this product, I've been using it constantly for the last 1 month, and my skin has become very even, and yeah, the skin has become very even, and my post-acne and post-pimple scars are actually fading away, and I can see how even my skin is. So this is a very good product. You can try it out, but before you try it out, make sure you get, if you have all that, or if you have acne, if you have pimples that are not going away, please contact your doctor so that you can get prescription. So this is my skin right now. It has become even, but still, like, I still have others like this. Like, I still have one, like, if you can see, some of them are still there, but they are fading away. So I find this product very nice to my skin, doing very well to my skin. I have a combination of oil, of normal to oily skin, so this is a very good product it's a very good product, and it has helped me with post pimples and post acne on my skin. So you can try it out and let me know in the comment section below how it goes with your skin. Let's not forget the what this product contains. So it is developed with, according to Cerave website, Cerave Resurfacing Retinol Serums help to smooth your skin texture by reducing the appearance of post-acne marks and minimizing the looks of the pores and improving your skin surface. The formula contains retinols to help resurface your skin, plus licorice root extract that helps to brighten your skin appearance. In additional, it's formulated with 3 essential ceramides that work together to lock in skin moisture and helps to restore your skin protective barrier. So it is lightweight and it absorbs fast in your skin. The resurfacing serums help to restore your skin, even tone, and promote a healthy looking complexion. This product, if you have to use high retinol percentage, which Cerave doesn't say how much retinol percentage is in this product, but if you have to use other retinols, you need to have doctors, or you have to go to doctor to get prescription. And retinols are always very expensive compared to this, which is just 17 pounds, which I bought it from. And it is very nice if you are starting to use retinols. This is a very good product. You can try it out. Let me know in the comment section below, have you tried this product before and how did it go with your skin? So this is my skin after using this product, and I must say I really like it, and it's very nice, and it's very nice and beautiful to my skin. Using this product, after using this product, I think it's important to notice, after using this product, you want to avoid product which has BHA, salicylic acid, and strong formulated vitamin C. And you want to avoid putting more retinol because you have retinols already. Avoid after using this product so that you can see the effectiveness of using the Cerave Resurfacing Retinol Serum. So yeah, so you want to avoid, after using this product, you want to avoid product with salicylic acid, strong vitamin C, and also you want to avoid another product that has retinol in it because you have retinol already. They can irritate your skin, so you want to use a very nice, or any moisturizing cream you have which don't contain salicylic acid, which don't contain more retinols, don't contain salicylic acid, or you want to avoid them to avoid irritating your skin because this product has retinol already in it. Yes, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.